Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings. Then you have to enter sound and notification. Then tap here on this gear icon next to the general or any other sound mode. And here you can select phone ringtone. You can select one of the preset ringtones. As you can see, I have pretty many of them here. You can go to the more ringtones, and here you can select a file from your phone's memory and set any song, melody or other MP3 file as a ringtone, or you can just select one of the preset. Let's listen to some of them. I guess I'll just stay with my all-time banger. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.